Good day everyone, I am Baby Andrea C. Espiritu and I am currently studying at Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology, and I'm here to discuss on how to use Google Classroom as online learning. First is go to Play Store and download the app, which is the Google Classroom. Once you downloaded the app, click the open button. You can also download it through Chrome and App Store. Since I already have this application, as you can see, there is already a classroom here. Now we are now going to create a new classroom, which is click this plus sign button here. You will see create class and join class. Now for creating a class, we are now click the create class button. After you click create class, you can see a class name and it is required. Next is section, room, and subject. In this class name, I will encode the subject code and the subject definition, which is Linear Algebra SEM 13. And for the section, I will put here a BSED 3B and I will include the time of our subject, which is 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. And the room it is necessary to you if you are going to skip it, but I will gonna skip this. And next is subject. I will put here a linear algebra. Once you done fill out this, now go to the upper part and click the create button. After that, you can see the stream, classwork, and people at the lower part. At this point, you are now created a classroom. Here, you can see the subject. You can also change the background, but for me, I will not change it. For the next step, click the classwork at the lower part. Then click this plus sign or the plus button here at the lower part again. And this will appear to your screen. You can see there is an assignment, question, material, reuse post, and topic. Now we are going to click first the topic because by clicking this topic you will have an organized classroom learning. Assignment is for posting an activity and quizzes. And next is question. You can also create a question, then the students will answer these questions. For material, it is for attachment for documents, PowerPoint, documents, and YouTube link. Now click the topic, then create a topic. Once you are done inputting the topic, you are now going to click the button create. Then here is the chapter 1 system of linear algebra. Then click this plus button here again. Now we are now going to insert a material, which is a PDF. And it is required for us to make a material title. Also, you can see a description which is depend for us to create an objective here for the description and add attachment for putting our materials and choose the topic for the chapter 1 so we can organize our classroom learning. Now my topic is all about system of linear equations. Once you click add attachment, you can see add from drive, insert link, upload file, take photo, record video, and create new PDF. And for me, I will click upload file for inserting my material, which is a PDF. Now I will inserting my unit 1 module of linear algebra. Then wait for it. Now I'm already insert my module, and for description it is for your objectives, and click topic for clicking the chapter 1 so you can organize your classroom learning. Once you mark it by check, you may now click done. Now click the pause button at the upper part. Once you are done by putting chapter 1 or unit 1 and attaching a material, now click this plus sign button here so we can attach again for the assignment or the activity of your students. Now I will click assignment, then assignment title is activity 1. Then for description, I will leave it blank, and for add attachment is for attaching their activity, and you can see there is also a points for grading your students. There is also a due date, so you may set a deadline for the activity. And for the topic, marking again the chapter 1 so you have an organized classroom. Then click done. You will see a assign at the upper part. So click the assign button. If you are done, then click assign. Now we are done for the chapter 1, for the activity, and for the activity. Now we are going to attach the quiz of the student. Click this plus button here and click the assignment. For the assignment title, we are now putting here the quiz number 1. For the quiz number 1, I will insert a link because their first quiz is through Google Form. So I will paste here the Google Form link. And I am going to click the due date for the deadline of their first quiz. Then click save and click the topic again for chapter 1 so we can level it by quiz number 1 for chapter 1. Then click assign at the upper part. Then here it is, we are done for the chapter 1. Now we are moving for the chapter 2. For the chapter 2, click the plus button at the lower part and click the topic, and we will indicate here chapter 2, which is matrices. Then click create when you are done putting your topic. Then you can see your chapter 2 matrices. Next is click this plus button to insert and attach our material number 2, which is a PDF. But first, we are gonna put a material title, which is matrices. Then click add attachment for attaching a file. Then click the topic for labeling as chapter 2. Then mark as done. Then click the post at the upper part. Then you have now a chapter 2 matrices and the material. Now click the plus sign again for the assignment for the activity 2. Then click upload file because it is a PDF. Then select activity 2. Then click due date for setting a deadline for this activity. Then click OK. When you're done, then save. Then click topic for leveling this for chapter 2 matrices. Then click done at the upper part. Then finally assign. Then you have this chapter 2 matrices. Then click this plus sign again for the assignment for the quiz number 2. Then click add attachment for inserting the link for the quiz number 2 as Google Form. So paste here the link, then add. Then set again for the due date. Then click OK after you done and click topic for labeling as chapter 2 matrices and click done, then assign. Then we have here a chapter 2 matrices and chapter 1 system of linear algebra. Then now I will going to copy this link and invite my students, then send the invite link to our GC. And that's all everyone. Thank you for listening. God bless.